Do you ever feel like you want to change your life and you want to achieve big dreams, but instead of that, you are feeling stuck, feeling behind, or tired? So, let me tell you why this happened. The common problem why this happened is the people who dream big feel emotionally exhausted. They used to compare themselves with other, their journey with others, and feel that everyone is moving forward and they are left behind. And after that, this frustration creates self-doubt. So on today's video, we're gonna talk about how we can transform our life completely and how can we live our dream life. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Himani, and if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And on this channel, we talk about growth, self-love, healing. So stay tuned and let's begin. So the very first thing we're going to talk about is why it happened. So the first point is that wanting everything at once. There are people out there who feel confused or who want to change their life, transform their life completely, and what they are trying to do is they want to change every single part of their life at once. They want their dream body, they want career, they want money. So they want everything at once. And because of that, their brain get overloaded and burnout happens. And second thing is that comparison culture. So nowadays everyone is using social media, everyone has their personal IDs, and people are posting whatever they want to post. They were showing their success, they are showing their beautiful moments of their life. But what other people who are overthinking or who want to change their life but they are not taking action are looking at these things and they start to compare themselves with others. They think that I am left behind and they are living their dream life. Like, have you ever wondered why people compare themselves to other? They compare themselves with other because there is something that they want in their life. There's something they are seeing on others that they actually wanted for themselves. That's the main reason why people compare themselves with others. So the third thing is that expecting fast results. If you want to grow in your life, you have to understand one thing, that real growth take time. Example, let me explain you that when we open Instagram, we open for it entertainment purpose. We look at the reel, we got happy and like that reel, and then scroll, we start doom scrolling and it's hitting our dopamine, but because of that we are losing our concentration or our creativity. We just want instant happiness and we go on the reel section on Instagram or on YouTube short. We got funny reels, we get instant dopamine hit and we get easily happy. And the fourth point is that carrying past emotional baggage. If you want to move on in your life, if you want to achieve good things in your life, and you want to become a better version of yourself, you have to let go of your past self. You have to let go of your old memories and everything that is draining your energy. I already made a video how to let go your past self. So go check out that video, and this affects your focus and your consistency. If you want to change your life and you are focusing on your past, you never made a good future for yourself because you are constantly thinking about your past self or past things that has happened and it's been done. Now you can't change your past, so stop thinking about that and start focusing on present. Like, what can I do right now so I can build a better future for myself? Everything you have right now is your present. So let me tell you the truth that people need to hear, and it's that feeling stuck doesn't mean you are behind. That means you are in your transition phase. That means you are trying, you are working on yourself, and slowly you will get success in your life and you will get everything that you want in your life. So don't feel demotivated or don't overthink about every single thing. If you constantly overthink about everything, you will never be able to live your life. Overthinking is just stopping you, and it creates so many problems inside your head that are not real in this world. So now let me tell you the right order to change life. The very first thing you have to focus on is your mental health. Why? Because your mental health is controlling your thoughts and will reduce your overthinking. If you are constantly overthinking about everything, or if your thoughts are negative, you are not able to change your life and you are always feel stuck in your life. So the first thing you have to do is focus on your mental health, and after that you have to focus on your body. If you want to lose weight, go gym, go work out, just lose that weight. If you want to gain weight, go work out, eat at the time and never skip your meal. That will give you confidence and it will also make you consistent about whatever you want in your life. If you work, if you will achieve your dream body, it will boost your confidence. And the third thing you have to focus on is your self confidence. When you have a mental peace and you have your dream body, the third thing that is important for you is self confidence. You love yourself, you trust yourself, you keeping promises to yourself to give yourself the dream life that you always thinking about. The fourth thing you have to focus on is your career and money. That's an expansion stage. When you have a mental peace, when you have your dream body, you have confidence that you deserve a better life, you will get many opportunities in your life, you will get whatever you want. So let me tell you, if you want a solid career for yourself, you have to be in that personality, become that version who will achieve everything in their life. Have a mental peace. If you have your dream body, if you have built that self confidence in yourself, you will get the job, you will open your business, or you will do whatever you want in your life. So now let me tell you the practical reset plan that you have to follow. The very first step is stop overloading yourself. You have to decide what you actually want to focus on. Focus on one or two things at a time. If you want to focus on your mental health or on your dream body or to build confidence or to build your career, just select one or two things that you have to focus on. After that, second step is create daily non-negotiables. Like for me, I love going to gym and that is my non-negotiable. I have to go to the gym. It doesn't matter how busy I am, it doesn't matter if I don't feel motivated, I have to do that thing. I have to go to the gym, and I love going to gym, and that's my non-negotiable because I have to achieve my dream body and I have to work out for that. So these are my non-negotiable and you have to choose your non-negotiables also. After that, the third step you have to do is control your comparison habit. Why? Because if you constantly compare yourself with others, you will be not able to focus on yourself to build your career or anything that you want in your life. So you have to focus on that. You have to stop scrolling, like doom scrolling, or if someone is triggering you, just put them on mute, unfollow them or block them, but don't compare yourself with anybody else. If you want to compare yourself with your past self and look at yourself like how much I have improved myself or what work I have to do. That step 4 is weekly progress check. Why I'm not saying daily progress check? Why I'm saying weekly progress check? Because not every single day is same. If you are having a bad day today, maybe tomorrow is your good day. And if you look at your weekly progress chart, you will see that okay, how many days I have stayed continue or consistent, and how many day I have skipped that work, and that's how you will get the result, like how much dedicated you are towards your dream life. If you have start following these steps, let me add one more section, that's mindset shift section. In that you have to take some affirmations for yourself, like I am not behind in my life, or I am trying in my life, I'm learning, I'm growing, and that will change your thought process, and that will help you focus on yourself more. And let me tell you that if you are not getting fast result, don't feel demotivated, because success never happen in a day. It take time, it take consistent work, it take your energy. Look, guys, if you want to transform your life completely, it will take time. Maybe it will take months, it will take a year, but understand that thing, that success will not come in a one day. It will take time. And you have to be patient if you are working that hard for yourself, because I am proud of you that you are actually putting that work on yourself, because there are so many people out there who don't know what they actually want in their life, but you know that thing and you are working on yourself. You are putting that work. You have, like, you have completed the hardest part, and that's acceptance. You have accepted that what you actually doing with yourself and what you want to change in your life. So I am so much proud of you guys. Just keep going and keep working on yourself. I know one day you will achieve whatever you want in your life. And bye bye, take care. See you on next video. Keep going, keep working on yourself, and never lose faith. Just trust yourself and stop comparing yourself, because you are the greatest. You are so amazing. You just don't know that thing, but you are an amazing person. Just give yourself time to bloom